Okay, students. Now going to discuss about the circulation in vertebrates. Which are vertebrates? Vertebrates are fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, mammals. These are the vertebrates. These are the animals which are having the backbone, vertebral column in mid-dorsal position. Hence, these are vertebrates. Now, what about the circulatory patterns available in the vertebrates? This one is explains with three types of the circulation: single circulation, incomplete double circulation, and the complete double circulation. In this first one is single circulation. Single circulation is present in fishes which having two chambered heart. In these two chambers, upper chamber is called auricle, lower chamber is called ventricles. Okay, students, in this auricle receives deoxygenated blood from the body parts through sinus venuses, and auricle pumps the blood into the ventricle, and from the ventricle the blood is passes into conus arteriosus. Okay, from the conus arteriosus, blood is finally reaches into the gills. In this way, ventricle supplies the blood to the gills for oxygenation. Okay, from after the oxygen of the blood in the gills, blood is goes to the body parts. The blood is supplies from the heart to the gills. Hence it is called, this is the heart called bronchial heart. Next, the blood is flows only once through the heart. So it is called single circulation. Next, another incomplete double circulation. Incomplete double circulation. Incomplete double circulation is present in amphibians and the reptiles, except the crocodiles. These are the animals having three-chambered heart. Okay, in these three-chambered heart, upper two chambers are right atrium and left atrium, and another one lower chamber is called single ventricle. This left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the gills, lungs, skin, which are act as respiratory organs. Next, right atrium receives deoxygenated blood through vena cava from the body parts. Okay, and these oxygenated deoxygenated blood present in right atrium and the left atrium pumps into the single ventricle. In the single ventricle, blood is mixed up. After the mixing of the blood is goes into the body parts. Mixed type of the blood carries into the body parts of organism through the conus arteriosus, which is divides into left systemic, right systemic, and the pulmonary arch. Okay, this is called incomplete double circulation. Why it is called incomplete double circulation? Okay, in the auricles or atrium, oxygenated deoxygenated blood flows separately in two upper chambers, right atrium and the left atrium. But in the single ventricle, these are the two types of the oxygenated and the deoxygenated blood mixed up. Mixed type of the blood supplies to the body parts. So it is called incomplete double circulation. Next, complete double circulation. Complete double circulation is present in crocodiles, belongs from the reptiles, all birds and the mammals, which shows the four-chambered heart in the body. Okay, in this, heart is divided into four chambers, upper two chambers right atrium and the left atrium, and a single lower not a single, lower two ventricles called right ventricle and the left ventricle. In this, left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps into the left ventricle. Left ventricle pumps the blood into the body parts. Okay, in this, right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body parts. And right atrium, after receiving of the deoxygenated blood, it is pumps into the right ventricle. Right ventricle passes the deoxygenated blood into the lungs. Okay, there is no mixing of the oxygenated deoxygenated blood. Flowing is separate. The blood flowing, oxygenated deoxygenated blood flows separately through the heart chambers. Okay, this is the deoxygenated blood flows through these two chambers, and this is the oxygenated blood flows separately through the left atrium and the left ventricle, never mixing up. This type of the circulation is available in birds, mammals along with the crocodiles, called complete double circulation. Okay, ventricles pumps the blood without mixing of the blood. This complete double circulation is with the systemic circulation and the pulmonary circulation. Systemic circulation and the pulmonary circulation. Okay, students, this is about the different pattern of the circulatory fluids circulation in vertebrates. Okay, fishes have two-chambered heart, amphibians, reptiles have three-chambered heart, crocodiles, birds, mammals have four-chambered heart. Okay, and single circulation, for example, fishes shows by fishes, incomplete double circulation shows by amphibians, reptiles, and a complete double circulation shows by crocodiles, birds, and the mammals. Okay. In these amphibians, reptiles, ventricle is not completely divided. So it one gives a chance to the mixing of the oxygenated, deoxygenated blood. The type of the blood goes to the body parts via conus arteriosus. Okay, students, this is an account about the circulation in vertebrates. Different types of the heart, different patterns of circulation.